popcorn. First, we're
What are we doing?
make popcorn.
Do you think we should ask Mom to help?
Yeah. Right.
Well, call for her.
Mommy, you help us? Say okay. We're turning.
What are we making?
We're making popcorn. It's not working. See? It's not working.
Yeah.
It's working. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
What is it called?
What? Now let's put some popcorn. Wait, can we need some this?
Did you turn it on and it not work? Oh. Okay, turn it off. What are we making?
Popcorn.
What are we gonna do with it?
It's a movie.
Watch a movie?
Yeah.
Daddy.
These
Don't
are-
touch that, please. What are you making?
Cheese.
What are you making, Carter?
Welcome.
Popcorn. Okay, fingers back, please.
Yeah.
Watch this. Pop it. It's gonna pop like a popcorn.
A hot corn?
Yeah. This.
How many pops?
Oh la. A lot.
A caco.
A lot. Oh no, Carter, don't touch it. Okay. One. And
It's
this
hot. It's hot.
I see it pop like a popcorn. Watch
All
it.
right, it means the others are ready. Are you ready to put them in?
Yeah. What's this?
Okay, let's watch, Carter.
Watch.
Ready?
When I say 3, put them in.
Right.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go,
Put them in.
Go.
You gotta do it right away. Go. Dump.
Sure.
Here, turn around, hold it.
Mom.
Here,
Turn around,
I'll
hold
hold
it.
it.
Here. Hold it in here. A lot.
So fill it up, Daddy.
Little day.
Okay.
That fell yours.
Okay, you hop down. I'll fill mine up.
You ready to hold it, Carter?
Yeah.
Down.
Here,
Hold it.
hold your container.
Don't put a lot. Because it's making a
What
mess.
should we do with the rest?